Mindfulness, often perceived as a mere buzzword, embodies a profound practice with roots in ancient traditions, principally Buddhism. It engages the mind in appreciating the present without judgment. Contrary to popular belief, it is not solely about relaxation but about gaining deeper insight and awareness of our thoughts and surroundings. This technique has been scientifically proven to improve both mental and physical health by reducing stress, enhancing emotional resilience, and improving overall well-being. However, misconceptions persist, such as the idea that mindfulness is a quick fix or only suitable for certain people, making its comprehensive understanding crucial for effective practice. Scientific evidence robustly supports the practice of mindfulness, emphasizing its significant impact on health and cognition. Research reveals that regular mindfulness practice can drastically reduce stress by modulating responses in the brain related to the stress pathway. Additionally, it enhances emotional regulation, aiding individuals in managing anxiety, depression, and emotional upheaval more effectively. Notably, mindfulness also boosts cognitive functions such as attention, concentration, and decision-making. These benefits underscore its importance as a valuable tool in mental health therapy and personal well-being, moving mindfulness beyond spiritual realms into scientific validation. The foundation of mindfulness lies in its core elements: awareness, non-judgment, and living in the present moment. Awareness encourages individuals to perceive their current experiences without distraction. Non-judgment fosters acceptance, allowing one to observe thoughts and emotions impartially, free from criticism or analysis. Living in the present, a pivotal aspect of mindfulness, challenges the tendency to dwell on the past or worry about the future, facilitating a state of being rather than doing. Together, these principles cultivate a mindful mindset, enhancing one's ability to engage with life more fully, with greater calm and clarity. Embarking on mindfulness is accessible through simple exercises, ideal for beginners. Mindful breathing, a fundamental technique, involves focusing on the natural rhythm of one's breath, which anchors the mind in the present and calms the nervous system. Sensory observation sharpens awareness by attending to sights, sounds, or tactile sensations, enriching the perception of mundane moments. Guided meditation, led by a voice or recording, directs the mind through a series of relaxing visualizations or thoughts, easing it into a state of deep relaxation and mindfulness. These practices collectively serve as gateways to developing a consistent and fruitful mindfulness routine. Integrating mindfulness into daily life enriches routine activities with depth and serenity. During commutes, instead of succumbing to the monotony or frustration, one can engage in mindful observation of the surroundings or mindful listening to the sounds. At mealtimes, practicing mindful eating by savoring each bite can enhance the dining experience and improve digestion. Similarly, mindful awareness during routine tasks like washing dishes or email sorting can transform these moments into opportunities for calm and focus. Consistently applying these simple mindfulness techniques in everyday life not only breaks the autopilot mode but also significantly amplifies overall well-being and stress management.